it's Sarah and welcome back to my channel. It's Vlogmas Day 2. Yay! You guys might be wondering why it is dark outside. It's because it's currently 7:11 a.m. Today is a Friday. Usually on Fridays I have a lot of chores and stuff to do at home. I thought I would just take you guys along with me. I made a list of the chores that I have to do today. I have to do the laundry, vacuum all the bedrooms, bring in the trash cans, do the dishes, put away the dishes, and I think that's it. But let's go ahead and start doing some chores. Laundry's done. I'll have to do a second batch, but first batch is in the washer. Okay, so now I have to vacuum. Okay, well, I don't have to vacuum, but my family has these Roombas, I think that's what they're called, and then it just vacuums it for us. So I brought up the vacuums and I put everything that was on the floor up, and then I'm gonna start the vacuum. We have 3 bedrooms in our house, so I'm gonna vacuum those 3 bedrooms. So while the vacuum's going, I'm gonna do the dishes. We have dishes from last night since we all had dessert after dinner, so I'm gonna do these. Okay, well, dishes are done. I usually would wear those purple gloves over there, but the right hand has a hole in it, unfortunately, so then I would only be wearing one glove and it would be weird, so I just don't wear the gloves anymore. Last night, my dad started the dishwasher, so I'm gonna put the dishes away. Did it snow last night? Cause like I'm looking out the window right now and there's more snow on the ground. Like my driveway used to be like empty, but there's literally snow. Well, I did not expect it to snow. Oh my god. Well, anyways, on Fridays I volunteer at my elementary school near my house. If you guys did not know, I want to be a teacher, so I've just been volunteering at this elementary school and it's been a really good experience. I've been loving it so far, but now that I saw that there's snow on the ground, I don't know if I want to drive. So I'm not really sure yet. I'm gonna look at the weather and see what the temperature is. If it's like freezing, then I'm not gonna go. If it's like 35 degrees and higher, then I'll go. Okay, I'm checking the weather right now. It's currently 30 degrees. That's freezing. I don't know if I wanna go today. My volunteering is at 10 a.m. to 11 p.m. or 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. So I think I'm just gonna wait a couple hours and then check the weather again, and then I'll decide then. But otherwise, I'll see you guys later. The vacuums are done vacuuming, and I just put the first batch of laundry into the dryer. I did not start the second batch yet because there's not enough clothes. I'm gonna wait for my sisters and my parents to come home to see if they have any other clothes. But it's literally so cold I can see my breath. But yeah, I'm gonna clean the vacuums right now. I'm so cold right now, but the laundry just got done and it's so warm. But so far, I have literally not been doing anything other than read. So yeah, today is just a really chill at-home Friday. Oh yeah, because by the way, I did not end up going to volunteer at my elementary school just because I didn't really want to drive in the snow, so. I'm done. I've been procrastinating doing the last chore for today, which is bringing in the trash cans because it's so cold. I brought my sister along to help bring in the trash. Are you cold? Let's go. So that is all the chores that I have. Oh, I completed everything today and it was actually a really productive day. Yeah, sorry, Vlogmas day 2 is kind of random. Like, I didn't really have anything planned today, and Fridays are just typically chore days for me, so I just thought I'll film it for you guys. I don't even know if it's interesting. Maybe you guys played this video while you were also doing chores, but yep, that is what a typical Friday looks like for me. For the rest of the night, I'm just gonna chill with my family. Tomorrow, my family and I were doing some super exciting stuff tomorrow, so I'm really excited for you guys to see tomorrow's video. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!